Okay guys, I really want to show you how to make these super cute earrings, super easy. I made these with a 2mm hook, but I'm going to show you with a 5mm hook, and that's just so you can see better what I'm doing, but just keep that in mind. The smaller size hook you can use, the better if you want them smaller, but if you like them large, then go ahead, use a 5mm hook. But just want to throw that out there. You'll also need scissors, tapestry needle, mini pliers, and then like earring hooks. I think that's what they're called, or shepherd hooks, French hooks, I don't know, something like that. So just these. Yeah. I found these like in a kit, so I'll link that below of what I use. And these also came in the kit. So yeah, we'll get started. I'm going to use white for the ones I'm going to show you. Also probably easier to see that way. So yeah, let's do this. And check the description below for links for things and details and quick stitch tutorials, other tutorials. Yeah, all the things you should need are down below, so just check it out. Also, please like and subscribe if you like this, just so I know what kind of stuff people are liking. That is very helpful to me. So anyway, let's get started. Start with a slip knot. Then we'll chain 6. And 6. And then into the 4th chain from our hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do 4 treble crochets. So yarn over twice, insert to the 4th chain from our hook, grab your yarn, pull it through. Should have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Should have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Should have 2 loops on your hook now, yarn over, pull through both of those loops. So we'll do that 3 more times. Yarn over twice, insert, grab your yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. All right, and then 2 more times. Almost lost my skein there. And then into the next chain, we'll do 2 double crochets. So yarn over once, insert, grab your yarn, pull it through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both. And we'll do that 1 more time into that same chain. And then into the last chain, we'll do 2 single crochets. So insert, grab a yarn, pull it through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. 1 more time. And then we'll do a kind of a picot stitch, or a 2-chain picot stitch. So just chain once and twice, chain 2 times. And then into that first chain that we just made, insert, and we'll do a slip stitch. So grab your yarn, pull it through everything, and then turn your work to where you're working on the other side of the chain and into that chain that we did the single crochets into. So that first chain there, we'll do 2 single crochets. And then into the chain that we did the double crochets into, we'll do 2 double crochets. So So we're just mirroring the other side. And then into the chain that we did all those treble crochets into, we'll do 4 treble crochets. Too much slack there. There we go. 3 and 4. And then chain 2 and then slip stitch into that same chain that we did the treble crochets into. And then you can kind of shape. And because I'm using a thicker or larger hook, there's more space in between than I really want, but I just want you to be able to see what I'm doing. So like you can see here, it's much better because I used a smaller hook. So, okay, and then we'll chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then basically just repeat that exact same thing. So into the 4th chain from our hook, we'll do 4 treble crochets. Into the next chain, we'll do 2 double crochets. Into the next chain, we'll do 2 single crochets. Getting caught. And then a 2 chained picot stitch. So chain 2, insert into the 2nd chain from your hook, and slip stitch into that. And then into working along the other side of the chain, into the chain that our single crochets were worked into, we'll do 2 more single crochets. And into the next chain, 2 double crochets. Into the next chain, 4 treble crochets. And then chain 2 and then slip stitch into that same chain. And we'll do that one more time. So chain 7, And then we'll chain one, pull up a loop and cut to fasten off. Kind of just shaping my hearts a little bit better. Now we just have to weave in our tail ends. And then just gotta put our hook on our work. So I just gotta pull that out a little bit like that, and then insert it into the top here. And then you just close it. All right, and just like so. I kind of don't mind them big like this though, actually. But yeah, again, use a smaller hook if you want them smaller. These ones, I used a 2mm hook. And then just repeat that for the other side. And that's it. Easy peasy, super cute. Also a great gift idea. Anyway, enjoy. Thank you for watching, and check out my other videos. Also, please like and subscribe if you like this, just so I know what kind of stuff people are liking. That is very helpful to me.